Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will continue our mathematics lesson in chapter fraction for part 3. Okay, before this we have learned two types of fraction, that is proper fraction and also equivalent fraction. So today we will learn the third type of fraction, that is improper fractions and mixed numbers. Alright? Okay, in this lesson today, in this video, I want you to focus on improper fractions first. Alright? But at the same time, you must also know what is mixed numbers lah. But make sure you understand what is improper fractions first for this one, because I want you to focus so that in this homework that I will give you at the end of this video, you can do it and we will discuss it on Friday if you didn't understand or you cannot do the questions. Alright? Okay, so let's go to the slides. Okay, our topic today is improper fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, the lesson objective is you can identify the improper fractions and mixed numbers involving denominators up to 10. Okay, denominators is the number below. Ingat, D. Remember, D equal down. So, the number down. Number yang dekat bawah. Okay, the largest denominator number for you to learn in primary 3 is number 10. Okay? You can identify. Okay, the definitions involved in this topic. Whole number. Okay. Whole number is a number without fractions. Example for a whole number is 1. Okay, other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The important part is it don't have fraction. Numerator and denominator. It don't have it. Only have one number. Okay. Next, mixed number. Mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. Okay, this is an example of a mixed number. 1, okay, how you read it? 1, okay, first we read the whole number and then 1 over 4. So, all together this is a mixed number. 1 over 4. And then improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction that is larger than 1 whole. Okay, this is the character for improper fraction. The numerator is larger than the denominator. Okay, look, this is the example. 9 over 5. The numerator is larger than the denominator. 9 is larger than 5. Okay. Or the other example for improper fraction, look. Or equal means that 9 over 9 is also improper fraction. 5 over 5 is also improper fraction. Okay. Improper, we will go first to improper fractions. Okay, like we mentioned just now, improper fraction is fraction that is the numerator is larger than the denominator. Okay, one way for you to remember is they are big-headed. Maksudnya kepala dia besar. Okay, this is 2 whole. 2 whole. Okay, each whole is divided into 4 parts. Okay, and then all of it is colored. Means that we are talking about 1. Okay, teacher guna sikit ni. Okay, we are talking about 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why we put here 8. And then 4 is how many in one fraction it is been divided to. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why here we put 4. Okay? Alright, next example. Okay, numerator, how many parts do we have in total? Here, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this one we don't have to put because it's not being shaded or colored. Okay, and then the denominator. The denominator is when we divided how many parts in each whole. So the answer is 7. We count just now 7 over 4. How many parts that we divided it equally. Alright? Okay, next. How many parts do we have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11, and then each part is divided into 2 equal parts. So the answer is 11 over 2. Okay, now mixed numbers. Okay, mixed numbers. The definition is a mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. This means it combines between whole number and fraction. Okay? They are a bit mixed up. Okay, we have 1 square that is being divided into 4 equal parts, and 1 whole 4 equal parts that been shaded. So it will be this one, is 1. This one is 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 over 4. This one is 1. So when we both put it together, it will be 1, 3 over 4. Okay. Next example. How many holes are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 holes. How many fractions parts are there? 1 over 2. So the answer is 3, 1 over 2. It's easy for you to remember when all of the fraction in the shape is colored, means that it's a whole. Okay? Next. Write the mixed number. How many holes are there? 1, 2. How many fractions? 1, 2. So it will become 2 over 3. Sebab ni ada 3. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 2 over 2 and 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Okay, so that's all. Make sure you do the exercise. The exercise is focusing on improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. So if you didn't remember or didn't understand, you can refer back to the notes and you can answer the question. The question is for improper fraction first. So if you have any question or you didn't understand when you want to do the exercise, then you can ask me during this Friday on 1st May, okay, to discuss the exercise. Or you can also ask for mixed number, but I just for the exercise I will give you only for improper fraction. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.